Hey, what's up guys, it's me Jake, and yeah, I'm one of those guys who struggle to wake up every day in the morning. I mean, the problem is not usually because of the lack of sleep, but because there is still dark outside when my alarm clock goes off. So I recently read a book called Sleep Smarter, and there is one tactic you can try, and it's by simulating natural light from the sun, so it's easier for you to wake up since your body thinks it's already a day. And from here I got an idea, so I bought a cheap digital timer switch and I modified it a bit so I can turn on and off my main light at a specific time of the day. Okay, enough talking, sit back and enjoy the video. The timer switch. That's actually a pretty cool device that allows you to turn on and off electric socket at specific time interval. It uses a small relay that allows the current to flow through the timer whenever the second circuit sends the signal of a selected time interval. So, I firstly disassemble the whole switch and remove both circuits from the original plastic box. We're gonna be making a new enclosure anyways with a 3D printer later on. After I remove all components, I jump to my computer and design a small box in SolidWorks that's gonna allow us to mount it directly to the wall with 4 screws. Most of components fit in the box almost perfectly, so I screw both circuits back in place and extend those 3 wires so I can easier connect them with the main light switch. Another thing we should do is to connect a 212 volt source to our switch to power the relay and charge a small battery which powers our digital display. From now on, it's very easy to set up a timer interval. I suggest you set it about 30 minutes before your alarm clock goes off, so it's easier for you to wake up in the morning. That's it for today guys. I know I haven't been posting for a while and that's because I was really busy through the year, but I will try to keep up the momentum with as many videos per month as possible, so stay tuned and I'll see you in the next video.